Alright, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you the best way on how to restore Viber chat history without backup. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. So it's pretty simple. What you have to do is just first up go to your web browser and you need to type in contact Viber support and you need to press on Viber help center, and right over here you just gotta scroll down until you see the option of contact us, and you just need to press on that. It's under business. Once you press on it, you'll see this submit a request. Now first of all, it will ask you for obviously our confirmation, so you just need to press and hold and human confirmation. And once this is done, it might need another verification. So yeah, it doesn't need any verification, I guess. But right over here, you just gotta put in your email address that you used for your Viber, and then your name, and then your category. And right now, so let's say it's a Viber out issue, and then topic is just gonna be Viber other. So if it's something like this, just simply press on other, and then country, you just gotta fill in your country, and after that you just need to put in your phone number, obviously with your country number, and then subject, just make sure it's backup chat history backup. So something like this, and there you go. It's an article. They'll give you an article as well, but you just don't need an article. But yeah, you just need to fill in the subject and then description. Once this is done, you just need to press on submit. Once you press on submit, all the blanks are filled. After that, someone will contact you and they'll help you restore your chat without any backup. So yeah, this is it. I hope this tutorial helped you out. I'll see you soon.